Hi, thank you for taking the time to review my assignment. Let's start with verifying new post functionality. So I'm adding new post, posting it, and it appears on the page without reloading it as the first item on the page. If I log out, I can't add a new post, but I'll log back in. Now let's go through this all posts page. So each post has a username of the user who has posted the post. It has the date when it was posted, and all posts are in reverse chronological order. Then all posts have post text, of course, and the number of likes. Now let's visit the profile page. So it shows all posts made by this user. Current user has only one post. It shows the number of followers and the number of people this user follows. And if we visit another profile, for example Ron, we can see the same all posts in reverse chronological order by this user, and we have the opportunity to follow it. Now it has one follower. If I reload the page, it's still in place, and we can unfollow it. Yeah. Also, I followed him back again and visit my profile. Now it shows us that I'm following two users. Now let's check the following page. It displays all posts by the users that current user follows in a reverse chronological order. If I log out, then this page, I can't see this page and the following page, but I'll log back in. Every page on the website has pagination, so by default it shows top 10 latest posts. You can click next, it will take to the next page. We can click first, it will open the first page. But since I have only two pages now, the functionality is the same. But if there would be more than two pages, then they would work differently. Yeah, and this is on each page. So following page also has this pagination functionality. Let's try editing the post. So I can click edit. I can add updated value, and it's updated without reloading the page. But if I reload it, the changes are still in place. And now let's check the like unlike functionality. So we can put add likes to posts. We can also remove them. So add, remove. For example, here I'll remove, and the changes are saved when I reload the page. That's it from me. Thank you so much for taking the time to review my assignment.